All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the ACEdc stamp slider. Here with me, I got the Pinot edition. That's the Pinocchio, right? This guy comes with spare bearings because this is a track slider. You got some O-rings, a couple stickers, all nicely contained in this little envelope kind of thing. And you get actually two packages because this guy comes in two pieces. So one is the face, which I already opened and installed, and it's magnetic, and the other one is the anniversary face. So this is the Pinocchio one because, of course, Collodi Pinocchio is one of the best out there, and it's a stamp. It's a slider, stamp size, and stamp shape. Look at that. Very cool artwork going on over here for this pretty cool slider. So on this top edge over here, you see there's a lanyard hole. So that's very interesting. You can use it as a pendant, you know, kind of like a necklace kind of thing, because the weight is pretty well contained, actually. Let me check it right away. This is, by the way, the Zirc and stainless steel option, and it's gonna weigh in at 34.1 grams. It's a pretty cool slider. It is hinged, so you're not gonna be able to take it apart, and also has balls. I don't know if you can see right over here in the couple tracks going on. It doesn't rotate in any position. If you lift it up, it doesn't even. So it just slides in one way. Has a very cool look indeed. And if you just want to see, like, next to some other ones, like that's the Contra, that's the Mini Dealer. You get like the Coke bottle right here, Milkia. I don't know what else can I show you. The telephone dial. I mean, some Zirc goodness. I got this on this table going on over here. You have the gamer as well from ACEdc. But I mean, that was just to give you a quick overlook of the size of these toys, which is kind of small. I like that it's going in one way only, so you're just gonna be doing this, and if you press it hard, this thing is silent, and I love it because the haptic feeling you get from the squeeze is much different than when you just do this. So apply a little bit more force and you get a very hard to describe feeling in your hand. Pretty cool sound as well. ACEdc collection. This is the Pinot stamp slider. It's a limited edition. There's 199 made of these guys. So yeah, get one if you can, if you like, if you want, because it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.